people. I hope you're going on well. We have decided to go live and see what we can talk, see what we can discuss together. I hope that I'm visible. Yes. Unfortunately for the rep sessions, I'm not able to do projection for any materials, but we can always talk, we can always discuss, we can always run in different ways, even without the presentations. And I'm glad that you are following my channel. Thank you for all those subscriptions. Thank you for all those corals, those likes, and all the comments. May God richly bless you for being part of my Kikuyu classes. Yeah, we are here in this world so that we can teach one another what we know, because we learn from one another. And I'm glad for all those who are purchasing my materials on Amazon, and also those who are purchasing the materials via the WhatsApp. Whichever way you are supporting this channel, feel what? Igua oshokeirio gatho. Feel that I do appreciate your efforts and your support, and may God continue blessing you. So most of us, I know, we have gone beyond the vowels and the consonants. Yeah, we have gone beyond A, E, I, O, U, E, O. Yeah, those are the Kikuyu vowels, okay? Now, we need to continue learning, like misamiati tofauti tofauti. Kwa mfano, msamiati kama wa hospitali. Ukifika pale, unafaa kumwambia daktari nini kama wewe umepata yule daktari ni Kikuyu ama ni Mkikuyu. One word, hospitali, that is hospital. In Kikuyu is thifitari. Thifitari. And then the doctor, most of the modern Kikuyu speakers will call him Dagitari. Dagitari. Utohozi, like it's just the same way we have Kiswahili ikitohoa hiyo jina from doctor to daktari. So even in Kikuyu you can say Dagitari. But some other people, you will say Morigitani. 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 And also there are other people who will also say Modo. Modo. Modomogo. Yeah, although Modomogo, I don't like using that word. It sounds more of like you are going to visit a witch doctor. So I don't like it. But Morigitani is okay, or Dagitari. And then medicine is dawa, just like in Kiswahili, dawa. In Kikuyu is dawa, dawa. Then we have the syringe and the needle. They are all referred as shidano, shidano. And then to eject is to guthesha. So the doctor will tell you, ne go guthesha shidano igere. I will eject you twice. Ne go guthesha shidano igere. Good. Then there are those medicine, the capsules and the tablet. Most of the people will say dawa cia borogoto, borogoto. Dawa cia mbũrũgũtũ. Dawa cia mbũrũgũtũ. And then what else? To say that I am sick. I am sick. Ũkuga atĩa? You say, ndĩ mũrwaru. Ndĩ mũrwaru. Ndĩ mũrwaru. Ndĩ mũrwaru. And that's to say, I am sick. What about to say that I have recovered or I've got healed? You say, nĩ ndĩrahonire. Nĩ ndĩrahonire. Nĩ ndĩrahonire. Nĩ ndĩrahonire. Or you can also say, nĩ ndĩraiguire wega. Nĩ ndĩraiguire wega. Twagĩthiĩ na mbere, we continue. Another thing in the hospital you'll find is a bed. A bed, we say this, gĩtanda. So a bed in the hospital will become gĩtanda gĩa thibitarĩ. Gĩtanda gĩa thibitarĩ. Gĩtanda gĩa thibitarĩ. That is a hospital bed. Good. Then to be admitted in a hospital, you will say, if in case you are saying that someone was admitted to a hospital, you will say, nĩ arakomire thibitarĩ. Nĩ arakomire thibitarĩ. Nĩ arakomire thibitarĩ. He was admitted into a ward, or she was admitted into a ward. Tũĩ hamwe? Tũĩ hamwe andũ aitũ? Haya, nĩ tũgĩthiĩ na mbere. After that, thĩinĩ wa thibitarĩ no nginya ũkĩmenye harĩa haragĩgũtura. Koguo nĩ wega, it is good you go and revise on body parts, because you're referring to each and every body part. If you are feeling pain, you will say, I am feeling pain. You will say in Kikuyu, nĩ ndĩraigua ruo. Nĩ ndĩraigua ruo. Nĩ ndĩraigua ruo. Nĩ ndĩraigua ruo. Good. To say that I'm having a headache. To say that I'm having a headache, you will say, nĩ ndĩrarĩo nĩ kĩongo. Nĩ ndĩrarĩo nĩ kĩongo. That is to say, I'm having a headache. To say that I'm having a stomach ache, you will say, nĩ ndĩrarĩo nĩ nda. Nĩ ndĩrarĩo nĩ nda. Nĩ ndĩrarĩo nĩ nda. Then to say that I'm feeling pain, you will say, nĩ ndĩraigua ruo. Nĩ ndĩraigua ruo. And to become sick is kũrwara. We said that. Then to say that you have a broken limb, for instance, a broken leg, you will say, nĩ ndĩraunĩkire kũgũrũ. Or nĩ ndĩraunĩkire guoko. To have a dislocation, ũkuga atĩa? You will say that, nĩ ndũgerie. Geria. Dislocation, most of the time it can be, I think it can be, is it kugonyoka, or I'm trying to get a better word. Kugonyoka square is to bed. So I'm not getting the right word, but we will get it. If you know the word, kindly on the comment section. Hapo chini. Tadio tuile. To have a dislocation, what you should say. Then, maybe if someone has gone to the maternity, you say that, nĩ arathire kũheo mwana. Arathire kũheo mwana, arathire kuheo mwana. Yeah, that's more etiquette. Without etiquette, you will say athie kugea mwana. As to say that she is going to give birth. Yes, yes, she is going to give birth. Yeah, then to give birth is kuheo mwana, kuheo mwana. But a bad one nĩ kuga atĩ ũngĩenda kuga ũru rĩ, if you want to say it without etiquette, ũkuga nĩ araciarire, nĩ araciarire. Very bad, very bad. Yes, and then to puke or to vomit is gũtahĩka, 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 gũtahĩka. Good. Then to say that you are in your monthly period, you will say that ndĩna kahinda ka mweri, ndĩna kahinda ka mweri. Monthly period is kahinda ka mweri. Okay? Yeah, kahinda ka mweri. Good. Then kuga that you had an intercourse. Okay, you had sex. You will say nĩndĩrakomire nake. That will say that I slept with him or her. Nĩndakomete nake. That will say that I had slept with him or her. Yeah, and for this, don't wait for me to give you the bad word. Okay, the bad word. I've given you the one that has etiquette. If you want to know the one without etiquette, I won't teach it here. I won't teach it here. I won't teach it here. Okay? Yeah, so that is good. And then let's go to somewhere else. Maybe to say that I'm being taken an X-ray. Yeah, an X-ray. An X-ray. Okugate. Kuhoro bicha. Kuhoro bicha. So it has no difference with the Kikuyu to take a photo. To take a photo. Yes, kuhoro bicha ya kuguru, kuhoro bicha ya githuri, kuhoro bicha ya mutwe. Good. Good. I hope that you are enjoying today's lesson when we talk about musamiati wa hospitali. Musamiati wa hospitali. Yes. So, what else do you want to know from the hospital? Or to say that you want to buy, you want to buy a dewormer. Is it called deworm or deworm? Okay, you say, you just say, nyenderia dawa cia minyoo. Minyoo actually is all kind of worms, eh? Yeah, minyoo. But for the tapeworm, it is dagoro. Dagoro. Okay? Dagoro. Minyoo refers to ishigi. Okay? And then for the smaller ones, like the ringworms, hizo zingine zote, they will call it igunyo. When you direct translate that word, it becomes like caterpillars or worms or something like that. Anyway, yeah, igunyo. Ena igunyo siada. So, to have, if you want to say that you are affected by ulcers, you say that ndĩna ironda cianda, that is ulcers. Okay. Then we have these things that grow on children. Yenye nikikuja kama hapa inakula nywele. So those are called ithemidho. And the old tales when we were growing up was that someone with a bad eye just looked at you. That's why you have that the middle. You know it. For instance, if a child is infested by ringworms, they may get those. I don't know what we call them in English. You can help me. Those like mashiringi. Actually, we also call them mashiringi. I don't know why they are called coins. Mashiringi is coins. Yeah, those rounded patches. Okay. Yeah. So what else? What else do you want to learn today? What else do you want to learn today from msamiati wa hospitali? Hospitali tugire ni divitali. Divitali. What else do you want to learn? You can ask your question before I go offline, or you can also ask after this video has been uploaded. And I continue to say, may God bless you. Thank you for always joining my classes. Thank you for those who are subscribing to premium classes. I'm always willing to teach you as much as I can. Yeah, professionally, by there, I'm not a teacher. Professionally, I am. I'm actually a software developer. Okay, so if you also want to learn about software development, you can always contact me. Okay, right? But I also teach Sunday school. I also teach big people. Anybody who want to learn should be taught. Okay, share your knowledge with other people, and may God bless you, and may God do you good. Thank you so much for being part of this lesson. Thank you for being part of this channel. May God bless you. See you in the next.